Hi, kindergarten friends, it's Miss Ha. And I have my binoculars, which help me see. That's one of my senses. I made them out of toilet paper rolls, and I have my tiny hands. I'm wearing my special science necklace, and this necklace has my science vocabulary, and science vocabulary are the words that I learn and I want to use. So today we're going to talk about this word record. We're going to record in our science notebooks today using a pen and paper what we communicate. Can you say this big word? Communicate. You try it at home. Communicate. And if you want to clap it, you can clap it too, like this. Communicate. That's what we would do in class. When we communicate, we talk to each other, we listen to each other, and sometimes we communicate through typing on a screen. Sometimes we communicate through talking, like through a microphone. Sometimes we communicate through listening, and sometimes we communicate in a notebook like we're going to do today. Now, in the past, we used our whiteboard, and our whiteboard is helpful when I want to record things that are temporary that I want to erase. So maybe you want to draw a picture, share your gratitude, do a concept map, write an idea. But this erases, and I don't keep it all the time, and I love it. It's a great tool. But the reason I'm using a notebook today is because I want to record something that I can look back at. So let's look, for example, in Miss Ha's science notebook. Now, I use the date always, so you can see that I know when this is from. This is from the past, September 15th, 2020. And I include a heading, and that says science, so I can be nice and organized and I know what's on my notebook page. And this is the question that we ask after breathing, which is, what did you notice in your body? Or what did you visualize? That's what did you see in your mind. I also drew a picture of some teeth. On each page, I ask questions, I draw pictures, I put labels. And today we're going to talk about recording in our science notebook. So I just want you to come on over and see what I'm recording, and you can try this at home too. Now, when I'm recording in my science notebook, the first thing that I do is find an empty page. And on my empty page, look, see? Used, 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 unused, empty. This is the one. I'm just going to write science. We're going to record what we communicate. S-C-I-E-N-C-E. This says science. S-C-I-E-N-C-E. And now I'm going to record the date, and that's it. September, I use the number 9. You're practicing this in your calendar. Today's the 21st. Maybe it's a different day for you. And the year is 2020. And this is how I record my heading to stay organized in my science notebook. I want you to give it a try at home, and we'll try it on Zoom. Write science and the date. And we're going to be using our science notebook almost every Zoom class. So it's super important to get it organized. You can use a used notebook or a new one. You can make some out of paper. You can share it with another subject. But we're going to label it each time with science and the date so we'll know exactly what we've recorded. Thanks, kindergarten. Bye.